Hare Krishna. Today is day 4, and today I am going to discuss about people who are supporting cyberbullying, cyber terrorism, and cyber hackers, cyber stalking, etc. Okay, and under which IPC section it falls, what are the punishments, etc. Before that, I would like to urge again on day 4 to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to please take some seriousness on cyber hacking, as you are promoting digital digitization, okay, digital India, but we do not have any staunch provisions or law against cyberbullying. There are millions of people in India and trillions of people across the globe suffering, enduring the harassment and bullying by cyber terrorists. I am one of the victims, hence I am urging this. So, and you are the only hope, because I have lost faith in our law and order judicial system, and because people, uh, I'll mention this again, I know the names of the people who have hacked my phone, my other devices, my social networks, media, email, etc. I know who they are, and I know who all are supporting them. They are high end managers, politicians, okay, and some people from my college as well. I know them, and I am not powerful enough to fight alone, and I do not trust anyone. So, only it is you in whom I confide. So, please listen to my earnest plea. I'm yearning, literally. So, let us commence with day 4. If someone supports cyberbullying or assists them, even indirectly committing the act can lead to serious legal consequences under abatement criminal conspiracy and cyber crime laws. So that is abatement IPC section 107 and BNS section 56. Engaging in conspiracy to commit a crime, intentionally aiding the commissions of crime. The punishment is similar to the cyber hackers, that is 3 years plus fine. Criminal conspiracy IPC section 120B, BNS section 61. An agreement between two or more persons to support or commit a crime. And there has been a lot of people who have supported these cyber terrorists to bully me deliberately, only because of their envious emotions against me, to harass me, bully me. Even today, they are stalking. They are deliberately trying to hurt me, spoil my close relations, friend circles, bonds, and they have been successful in that. They have given me a lot of pain. I have endured a lot of pain. Even if the crime is not executed, conspiration can be a punishment. Okay? Even today, they are conspiring. Cyber stalking, identity theft, and defamation. The imprisonment is between 2 to 3 years plus fine. Cybercrime Provision IT Act 2000 applicable to the supporter. It is 66C, 66D, 66E, and 67 and 67A, okay, which I have already discussed in one of my previous videos. Please do watch them. For example, creating or managing fake accounts to bully specifically, okay, sharing or reposting defamatory or obscene content, providing technical tools such as VPN, bots, BOTS, cloning software specifically designed to deliberately hurt, bully others through technology, through AI, etc. Encouraging or coordinating bullying in group chats. They have their own groups. They are still in contact with each other. Helping hiding digital evidence or mislead investigator. Tomorrow, day 5, I'll be discussing something more important regarding cyber terrorism. Okay, so that you will also learn, and this global movement against cyber terrorists, we will all continue. Everyone across the globe and India who have endured cyber hackers, who have been a victim of cyber hackers and cyber terrorism, okay, please join this movement, subscribe and follow.